Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this little paper guard. This model is made up of two parts, the head and the body. The cool thing about doing this in this way is that you can create just one body, but several different heads and just swap them. In this example here in the video, I made with the geometric shapes, but you can create whatever variation you want. To make the model, we need two squares of paper of the same size. If your paper has only one colored side, start with the white side facing up. First of all, we need to divide the paper, creating an 8 by 8 grid. To do this, first fold it in half, unfold, fold the right and left sides to the middle, then fold both sides to the middle again, dividing into 8. Unfold everything. Rotate the paper and repeat the same steps, folding into 8 in this direction too. Unfold here as well. With this, the paper is divided into 8 horizontal and 8 vertical sections. For the next step, let's fold the first 1/8 of the top in half. Then bring this part down on the existing line. Next, we'll fold a new diagonal on each side. To do this, starting on the right side, we'll bring 3/8 of the paper to the side, like this, aligning with the existing lines. Then the same thing on the other side. Next, down here, we fold the first section of the paper. Then we fold the first section on the right side. Fold again on the next one. Fold the first section on the left side as well. Repeat with the following section. We will fold the paper in half by bringing the bottom up. Bring this back down on this line here. Then, carefully, bring the right side to the middle. and holding the bottom closed, open the top layer and then flatten the middle part into a triangle. Adjust the details a bit. And right side is ready. We do the same thing on the left side, so just bring the paper to the middle first. Then we open the middle part and flatten it like a triangle. As a final step, we turn the paper over and fold part of the paper on each side. Once done, we have the head part. Now, to make the body, the beginning is the same. We also have to fold the paper, creating an 8x8 grid. Once we have this done, we are going to fold the first section from the right and left. Turn it over. Fold 1/8 of the paper on each side again. Turn it over again and move to the bottom side. Here, first we need to fold these two corners just on the top layer. Unfold. Then we fold the middle part up on this line here. And flatten the sides into triangles. Now, we will fold both sides to the middle using the existing lines. Reinforce very well, adjusting the details. And we turn the paper over again. Now, fold the bottom side up to this line here. Then rotate the paper. And pay close attention to the next step. We are going to bring the paper to the side, creating a diagonal fold in the middle, like in this image. To do that, hold the paper closed, bring it to the side like this, reinforce the crease very well, then we fold the top part of the paper over this fold, leaving like this, and then we repeat the same step with the other side. So just bring the paper to the left, reinforcing the middle diagonally, and then lower the top part. We now have the body, but we can add a few more details to improve the result. Starting with the legs, we'll fold these four corners here, then following the same logic, we will also fold these two corners here, and then fold the middle layer up. Now we have an improved version of the body. For the next step, we need to fit the neck of the guard underneath these two diagonal layers of the head piece. And so, our two-piece origami is ready! You can still add an extra detail in the neck by folding it like this, but that's optional. Now that it's ready, you can draw the mask, or if you prefer, you can unfold this part a bit, and then fit the paper with the design. That way you can make just one origami and swap the masks whenever you want. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you were able to make it. If so, congratulations! Thank you so much for watching and see you next time!